Hello all, welcome to our channel. Any particular video making and upload the content on Instagram, Facebook is very important. So what are the product you will be selling on any kind of products? You have to sell by using Instagram, Facebook, or we can make the videos. First of all, I'm selecting will be RK user laptops. They're selling for second-hand laptops for Apple, Mac, any laptop they will be sale will be here. So right now, what are the laptop they will be selling here? The laptops should be promoted will be using by this option. First of all, make the video by using this option. So any video will be making purpose, we can use option name is called Canva. So this Canva will be helping for every making a video. Yes, always they helping the video will be to sell your laptops will be here in the purpose. So first of all, how we can make the video. So the video will be making will be here. After this one, use the proper music. The music will be downloaded from where? The option name is called in this any channel. First of all, what is the video will be here? Go to the video option, the YouTube channel. Go to studio will be there. Their option is called audio library. You can download the audio file will be here. That audio file you can add by the into the particular option name is called upload option. You will be add the audio file and add the music will be here. After this, you can download from any a particular option. After this, what are the content you will be posting this? So that will be adding this particular option will be here and copy this content. Any content once you making a video that is a 12-second video, 15 seconds video, how many seconds you make the video? That is a common option in a Facebook and Instagram. The one role option name is called Facebook Business Shoot option. Simple video will be making from Canva. What are the videos? Always remember, video will be making will be along with music and voice, everything will be possible on your particular Canva option. You have to visible some video properly and make the videos will be here and upload from your particular Facebook and Instagram option at a time. Individual also will applicable, at a time also will applicable. So what is the difference will be both option. Suppose if upload will be individual, there is an option will be called WhatsApp and call button we can add it here. Suppose I can target will be WhatsApp user. Now I'm clicking the WhatsApp will be here. Here will be add the video. Where I'm video will be here is the option. Look into this. So first of all, I'm check the video will be here. Which is the video will be into on particular platform. So that video will be going to this. Here is the option. So refreshing all files, video added, click the content, asking to the reel option. Or you can go for reel, switch back. Why? Because I'm adding this feature will along with the WhatsApp feature. Why? Because customer easily will be contact through your WhatsApp number. So that is called I'm adding this particular feature and particular here is that. So their video will uploading in your things. Anything required to post boost your post will be here. This is a direct you can go to will be here. So right now I can only post the video will be into the my Facebook page option. Just posting the video, anything, this takes some time will be there. Reel option is increase the views, but I'm looking for leads and calls. There's a different option. But if you go to this, any kind of things option will be here. Right? Go to the create option. In Instagram, we don't have acceptance for phone number, get call. Nothing will be happening. Everything will be uploaded by reel along with the content. What are the phone number you mentioned? The above you can mention will be here properly and click for share this particular post. So this is the particular platforms. You can make the video on Canva and upload the daily videos. People reaching your videos who are looking for your videos, they definitely will be contact you on your particular Instagram and through Facebook page option. Any Facebook page, once you can go over the refresh option. So they will be using the particular things and the visible will be like this. Click for get WhatsApp button. When I'm clicking here, the direct go to your particular WhatsApp number. So if any further question about the upload videos and marketing purpose, please contact our channel. I definitely will be supportive. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe our channel.